CNC has this small hole drilling machine equipped with an automatic tool changer. The factory possesses yoke of x-axis 400 mm, y-axis 300 mm, and z-axis 120 mm. It uses a 60,000 RPM precision high-speed spindle and can process holes with diameters between 0.07 to 3 mm. Equipped with a linear tool magazine, it allows for automatic tool switching for multiple hole diameters, making tool changes convenient and quick, thus improving processing efficiency. The 60,000 RPM high-speed spindle offers high precision, high efficiency positioning for drilling small holes. Producing products with working nobles, the high-speed spindle has an internal water cooling cycle to protect it during prolonged high-speed operation, controlling spindle temperature and improving processing stability. It can process a wide range of materials including highly adhesive and hard stainless steel and titanium alloys, as well as common steel, aluminum, copper, and non-metallic materials such as plastics, graphite, and magnetic materials. The T-Notch worktable design facilitates product clamping and is adaptable to a wide range of products, including standard, square, and irregularly shaped items. Each transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor, achieving high positioning accuracy within 0.02 mm. The needle screw and gas wheels are selected from brand of Taiwan Highway, ensuring high precision retention. This machine is controlled by a lubrication system. It can lubricate regularly and continually, hit the need for manual maintenance. Selected CNC machining central system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of CNC joints to automatically generate processing programs. Eliminating the need for professional programmers, the system can store tens of thousands of programs. Before the machine leaves the factory, it tested for accuracy and compensated it by USA laser informator to keep the whole machine accuracy within 0.02 mm. After sample testing, it stays for 48 hours dual run test. Model introduction follow my video account number.